Hi TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and today we're working on this Volvo, and let's have a look at the seats. So right, let's get down here. Okay, so you can see the usual sort of damage again, look, and as I always say, it's never the leather, it's always the finishes, it's always the paint and the finishes on the top that tends to crack. I mean, on these Volvos it's probably some of the best leather you can get anyway. So let's have a look and see. Just move this little sheet out of the way for now. So yeah, you can see all these cracks here, look, but again, you know, a bit of fine filler, bit of cleaning up, and a recolour and finish, and these are pretty much back in showroom condition again. Let's go down to the driver's seat. I think this one is actually quite bad. It looks worse than what it is though, again, because these are natural creases here, look. You know, you won't remove these, but what you will remove is all these little tiny cracks here, look, and you can make the creases a lot better by using fillers. And the same here, look, these are just cracks in the top. These should be massively improved again. So look down here as well, and this is before we've even started the job today. We've not cleaned anything yet. So if you have a look at the seat and the middle console as well to match, and also we're going to do the steering wheel. The steering wheel again, you've got these little sort of little tarnish marks, and normally it's off rings and that sort of thing, you know, so that's the steering wheel. So we'll get that looking like new again and protected. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk, and if you wish to call us 07904 640 389. Bye for now. Welcome back TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and let's have a look at the job now it's finished. So if you remember, the steering wheel was really bad, but now you can see now, look, after a nice recolour and finish, that's looking absolutely superb. If we go to the seats, you can see how bad they were with the cracks, but now you've just got the natural creases there now, and if you have a look at this, it's come out absolutely great. So you can stick these in the showroom now as usual. If I show you from this angle as well, you can see I'll go around to the front, and to be fair, there wasn't really a lot wrong with this seat. I think a few little sort of creases here and there, a few little cracks, but these have come out pretty solid now. And what we've done is we've put a nice satin finish on these as well. Matte I think is a little bit too much, so we put a satin on here, and also you'll find that satin is a lot easier to clean as well. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk, and if you need to book us 07904 640 389. Bye for now.